Good morning guys. Happy Monday everyone. Welcome to Adesgaro Vlog. Kaya magandang araw po sa lahat. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ayan. So welcome po sa ating vlog, sa ating channel. Ayan. Today is January 6, 2025. It's the 6th day of the month na po. 6 days, pang 6th day of the year. So, medyo mahaba-haba pa ang tatakbuhin ng 2025. Kumusta po ang lahat? I hope everyone is okay. Meron lang akong babasahing quote. Nakita ko to sa net, no? Yung 8 powerful words. Meron tayong 8 powerful words na babasahin today. Number 1, believe in yourself. Sabi dito, believe you can and you will. Number 2 is stay strong. Dream, believe, and achieve. Yan sabi naman dito sa number 2. Number 3, never give up. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Number 4, be grateful. A grateful heart is magnet for miracles. Number 6, number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, work hard. Good things comes to those who ano to? Hindi ko na maintindihan. Basta work hard. Good. Number 6, stay humble. Work hard in silence, let made the noise. Let success make the noise. So work hard in silence, let success make the noise. Number 7, be kind. Kindness makes you the most beautiful. Numbers 8 and lastly, number 8, keep smiling. Yan. Keep smiling. Because of your smile, you make life more beautiful. So yan po ang 8 powerful words for today. Nakita po natin yan sa internet. Gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po guys.